every time I do jujitsu, like back to back, like the second day, I'm already like feeling beat up. I ask myself this question, more times than people think. Like I don't necessarily enjoy putting my body through the discomfort and putting it through hell, because it has nothing to do with the act of, okay, I'm tapping somebody out, right? Or I lifted 50 pounds heavier on my bench, this week. That's not the driving force. It doesn't, if it was if it was solely about that, it wouldn't keep me motivated. It wouldn't keep me inspired. I wouldn't have it wouldn't be enhancing the self-drive to keep it up. For me, what keeps this thing going is I have not broken the promise to myself. Right? That's one of them. It's numerous amounts of reasons that I have. It's a recipe for why I keep going, why I just got to just keep pushing. It's a recipe. And when I have all those ingredients, it doesn't matter how sore I am, how I'm feeling, what's going on. It just doesn't. But it's not the surface level reasons. It would not keep me on this path if it was solely about that. It's not big enough. It's not powerful enough. It doesn't move me enough. I've been training for 20 plus years. I've been doing jiu-jitsu for 13 plus years. Those reasons at this point would not move me. And if it does for somebody, that's how they're going to crumble. You got to make it bigger. It got to almost be bigger than you. It has to be bigger than me. Even why I am in real estate the way I am, it's not because I'm trying to be, the king of real estate. And it has nothing to do with that. That's not enough reason for me to stick with it and keep going. The reason is bigger. The reason is way more. It's beyond me. It's not even about me. I'm a part of it, but the bigger reason isn't about me. But all of those things, like I said, is the recipe for why I don't care. I'll still get up, still do what I have to do, still learn this, still learn that, find the whatever it needs to be done. But if we're talking about, I'm in here, like, why do you still? Because it's one of the ingredients to the recipe. Holding myself accountable, not breaking promise to myself, not breaking protocol. I have to always make sure, hey, are you sticking with this? I have to make sure I can count on me. And this is one of the ways to refine that and to hone that. I can count on me. Being capable in all aspects, that and you have the confidence, like when you step out of this room, like when I step out of this room or I go into a different room, I have the confidence that I know I could produce. I have the confidence to know, like, hey, I belong here too, because I know prior to coming in here, I know the steps that I needed to take. I know what I've done to accomplish what I've accomplished. I know how far, what I'm willing to sacrifice. And that is tested every day. If it was a little wishy-washy, if I wasn't really battle tested, then when I am faced with, okay, here's where your confidence is going to be tested. Here's a new door that you're about to enter. And yeah, maybe I wouldn't be as, ready to get in there and make it happen, because I know I was not doing what I need to do prior to getting here. I know what I've had to do to make it work. So when an opportunity arises, when something comes up, yeah, I'm going to go into it confidently. Whether I know nothing about it or it doesn't matter, because I know, hey, it's a system that's new to me. I'm willing to put in the work to learn it. Hey, it's a new country. I know once I get out there, I can assimilate and thrive. I just know it. I'm willing to go further. And it's like, let me be the one to say, it wasn't for me. It didn't work. No one else can dictate or tell me, hey, you should do this, you should do that. No. I know I could do anything. But I have to feel like that. You have to feel like that. You have to. But anyway, time to get to work. Another one finished. So something that I told the students here before they got out of here was, my objective for this class is when they walk out of here, they are just a little bit better than when they initially came in. That is the objective. And that's my objective when it comes to training, when it comes to anything that I'm doing. When I'm finished, am I just a little bit better? Just like real estate, it's that compounding effect. You keep adding. Before you look up, 6 months, a year has gone by, and you can see how much progress you made. It's not about making that huge stride in one motion. A lot of times it's not going to work like that. It's going to be the incremental steps, those little things that you're doing every day that people see, people don't see. Like here, each time we leave Saturday, we are just a little bit better than we were last week. Every time I make the commitment to myself, the promise to myself, that is just one step closer to the goal and a little bit better to who I am. And that's what I want. Let's get it.